Yeah, hi there. Today we will show you in a very short video how to install a battery switch for nearly every kind of motorcycle. Today we use the uphill scooter. First of all, get off the negative cable, then put the battery switch, unscrewing our delivered screw on the negative pole. Take again the original screw which was on the negative pole with a cable and fix it up with a battery switch. Next step will be to fix up the cable, the negative cable, on the other side of the battery switch. Well, that's all. Right now, just by turning the button, the blue button, to the right, you disconnect your motorcycle, and to the left you connect it once again. So enjoy it, thanks and bye.